Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you something really cool. The new Conflict of Nations World War III mod that works on both Android and iOS devices. If you're a fan of the game and want to take it to the next level, you're going to love this. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss anything. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss more awesome stuff. Alright, let's check out how the mod works. Once you're in the game, just tap the gear icon. That opens the mod menu. From there, the main feature is getting unlimited gold. And yep, you can see it being added right now. The gold goes straight into your account, and you can use it immediately. The mod also includes extra features that give you way more control and advantages in-game, all easily accessible from that same menu. Now let's get into how you can try it yourself. It's super simple. Just open any browser, I'm using Safari here, and head over to appheaven.top. Once you're there, either use the search bar or scroll down until you find the Conflict of Nations World War III mod. Tap on it and start the install process. If it's your first time getting a mod from this site, you might need to install a couple of additional apps. No worries, the site has clear steps and even video instructions if you get stuck. Also, I dropped a comment below the video that shows exactly where you can find the mod. Feel free to check that out if you need help. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.